Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lam. Today we are going to review the Maybelline infamous Superstay Vinyl Ink lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, however you want to call them. I have three of these colors, beautiful, stunning colors, 100 Charmed, 115 Peppy, and 110 Awestruck. I guess I should put Awestruck in the middle. On my, light olive undertone, skin tone, what colors are going to be, the best feel that I can have. That's gonna be a little bit, my lip but better kind of color. And I didn't really see much help when I was doing research as far as my skin tone to have a reference, so that's why I'm doing this video. Hopefully if you have a skin tone similar to mine, even if you don't, today in this video today I'm going to give you enough information so that you still can make an educated decision. And good luck with that, because I know buying stuff online not very good, and sometimes with this stuff you cannot really test them in the store either, so maybe in Ulta they would let you test them out. I'm also going to compare these to the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment line and also the YSL, the glossy stained line that they have, because I feel like these are actually something in between. So if you're excited about those, let's get on to this video. Keep on watching. 100 Charmed. I like how the lip color matched the color of the packaging, so you know exactly what kind of product you are grabbing for. It smells like a light cake vanilla. There's a ball inside to mix up the pigment. 110 Awestruck. Charmed is definitely more peachy on my skin tone, and Awestruck is definitely reminding me of the original Pillow Talk shade, because it's really in that mauvey nude kind of family, whereas this one is clearly a much warmer nude. Appear to be both kind of a lighter shade, so I would use these two colors to prep my lips for another darker color to go onto the center, because that's how I usually like to do my lips. The last one I have here is the 115 Peppy. This seemed to be a darker version of one of these two. Peppy, like a deeper version of Charm, because it also has that warmth undertone. I find that though, because how I like to use these products is that I thin them out quite a lot, as you will see in the demo, really blending out nicely and create a thinner, layer of colors, and that's why I love these kind of products. American Woman Power Matte Lip Pigment by NARS is pretty close to Awestruck, so let me swatch it. Formula is a little bit different. It's a little bit different, but the closest match is Peppy 407 by YSL. This is their glossy stain of a different formula again, but I thought after I thinned it out, it seem very close, so let's compare the shade. I feel like this one is the closest to Charm now, but then it also has a little bit of that pinkish tone, mauviness of Awestruck, so I feel like it's right in between, but leaning a little bit more towards Charm. But let me get the Pillow Talk out. This Pillow Talk by Charlotte Tilbury. Here, let's see what shade it's closest to. Now we can see why it reminds me of Awestruck, because it's the closest to that, but again, it has more warmth. Pillow Talk Medium, I'm gonna put it right here. Pillow Talk Medium is closer to Awestruck now. So very interesting comparison. If you are talking about the colors, then yeah, they are gonna be similar things, and you can dupe one for another. Not really with the formulas, because all of these are different formulas from one another, so hopefully that's useful. It's fun regardless. Let's move on to the lip demo, where I show you these three colors in action. It removed what I have on previously and put on a little bit of cushion, blank out the canvas so that we can best see the color appearance. And I'm just going to apply the lip colors on however I usually would do, with my normal everyday look. Asian gradient lip. Okay, so bear with me here. Let's see what I'm doing. Oh, I didn't tell you the color. 100 Charmed. I applied quite a bit, but not too much. You know, I don't want a full coat of it. I kind of blend it out. I can just go on with my day, or I can add another darker color onto the middle of my lip. Like the darkest shade here is what I usually use for both of the Awestruck and the Charm shade. It's definitely on the lighter side, so I would want to add a little bit of a deeper color somewhere, just to add some definition. Now we have 100 Awestruck. Turned into kind of like a moussey texture. It has a little bit of shine. It's not super moussey, kind of like the Power Matte by NARS. It's not like that. It looks even a little bit lighter than Charmed, even though Charm looked lighter in the tube. And in the swatch, but on the lip, actually Awestruck look a little bit lighter just because I feel like it has a little bit more gray in it. So let's remove this and do the last one. 115 Peppy. So out of the three, this one is definitely the best color to use alone, and it's definitely a my lip but better. Looks more refreshed and alive. I find that this kind of lip product lasts pretty well throughout the day. When it fades, it really fades gracefully. At least that's what happens with the way I'm wearing them. So if you want more hydration, I would add a little bit of lip balm or lip gloss on top, and I would bring this with you throughout the day. Yes, that's the least convenient thing because it's really bulky. It really works well. The formula is amazing. I'm sure you probably tried some colors by now. I just hope that these swatches will help you with these specific colors and how they compare with other brands and other products, you know, that might have similar shades, similar undertones. And because comparing lipsticks like this, it might feel random, but actually it might work for you because we have so many lip products that maybe you have one of these in your collection already. In that case, then you'll be like, oh yeah, then it's gonna be similar to Pillow Talk like this, but a little bit warmer. Oh, I get it. You see what I mean? Like, anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. That's it for today, and let me know in the comment section what you think about these lipstick. If you have tried them, are you looking forward? Yes, I know you want to go out for party. Need to take Luna out for a walk now, so I'll say goodbye, but yes, I will be back. So until then, make sure you don't flop. Bye bye.